Madam, please, I am new in this area and I'm also stranded. Please, I'm looking for any affordable hotel around.
Please, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Hello, boss Mingo. Boss, me still there here now. I never see you to trade the gift card. I define where they reliable.
Very good.
No, what you see and just now. I beg, wait.
Oh, you are looking for where to trade a gift card?
Yes.
Top Gift Card is number one. It's the best and most reliable gift card trading app. They are the best in Nigeria. And they offer the highest price in the whole world. The price per $100 is 5,000 naira higher than other companies. They are available on Play Store and App Store. Just use my promo code BS6666 and you'll get 1,000 naira bonus and 2% coupons. Very reliable.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, boy.
Hey.
Very beautiful.
Mingo, sir.
Fredo.
Sir, you say the fire hotel.
Yes.
Just go down, sir. You'll see some nice hotel for that, sir.
Yeah, but on Abi.
Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
God bless you.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to my luxury apartment, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Please, I need room.
Alright, sir.
How much?
We have the one of 150,000, 120,000, and 90,000 naira.
For one night?
Yes, sir.
The price is very okay. It's
Thank you,
cheap.
sir.
And the hotel is fine.
Thank you, sir.
But my money no reach.
What's the best apartment you have here?
Okay, sir, you can go for 4 bedroom and the price is 350,000.
350k.
Hello, sir. Sorry.
Ada, no worry. I don't give my budget no reach.
The suffer is real.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day.
Sir. Yes, sir. Today is a trial day, sir. They are going to court like this, sir. Yes, with Officer John. Sir. Yeah, Mr. Man. How may I help you?
I am new in this environment. And as I talk to you now, sir, I am stranded.
Oh, you are stranded?
Yes, sir.
So sorry. Do you know that it is your fundamental human right to sleep at the station whenever you are stranded?
That's why I'm here, sir.
Oh, good. I see. Relax. Feel free. In fact, feel at home. Let the Nigerian police pamper you. Bring your bag. I will show you to your room.
Good morning.
Morning, officer.
Morning, how was your night?
Fine, thank you.
Hope you enjoy your stay.
Fantastic.
I learned that you'll be leaving this morning.
Yes.
We have something for you.
What's going on here?
On behalf of the Nigerian police force, we present to you this food stuff.
All this for me?
Yes. Wow. Also, 20k for transport.